Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to be using this green steamer basket here, this OXO I think it is, steamer basket, and we're going to do some boiled eggs in it. And we'll put 9 eggs in this thing. It's getting one-sided. There you go. Okay, we got 9 now. We'll get a cup and a half of water here. And now we'll pour this water right down this FOODi here. We'll take these 9 eggs in this green steamer basket here, set right down in here. Okay, and then we'll get a pressure lid. And we'll make sure you don't trap the green steamer basket handles in the in between your seal on the FOODi here, and turn it on. Put your switch over, your button over here all the way over to seal, not vent. We'll turn on the power. We'll hit pressure. We'll leave it on high. And we'll use 9 minutes. And then we'll hit start. Okay, and you know the routine about going round and round until the button comes up, then they got to get to cooking. So, in the meantime, while you're waiting for that, you can join my channel and give me a thumbs up. I sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you people watching our videos. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now it took about 5 minutes for the little red button to pop up, so should be pretty quick here. The little light's still chasing each other around, but it should be pretty quick. It starts counting down for your minutes on your cook. Okay, and there you go. Now it's counting down from the 9 minutes. And so, in the meantime, while that's doing that, we're going to take this large mixing bowl here and put some ice in it. I'm going to wait a minute or two before I put some water in there, but I'm going to put some water in there so it'll be good and cold ice water. Down to about a minute to go on this cook here, so I'm going to start putting water in this bowl. Okay, see, time has run out on this, so I'm just going to go ahead and come over here, hit the quick release. Okay, that took about a minute and 10 to 15 seconds for the pin to drop. Now we'll turn it counterclockwise, as you know. Turn it away from you. Turn it upside down so you don't drip all over the floor. And now we'll take this by these 2 handles here. They're still a little warm, but that's the good thing about this basket. You can grab these pretty quick. It's not like metal or something. And so we'll just pick them up like this. Take them right on over here to this pot of cold water. Oh, let me get you caught up here. Okay, now see, I haven't cut that or anything. Now see, this is the nice thing about this basket. You just grab a hold of it like this. just dump them all right down in there. And that way you're not burning your fingers on, on those eggs. And your little basket's just sitting there ready to go again. Now, for the truth about what's in these eggs. See if they're cool enough to touch. They feel pretty good. Get me a paper towel. Be funny if I crack it and it all comes running out at once. But see, here's the thing about it. We've got to know where the yolk is going to be at. Now see how easy these things are to peel? So far so good. Now if the yellow don't come running out when we cut it, then we'll eat this one here, so I hope. There you see it's a perfect cooked egg. I'm going to give one to the boss over here for further inspection. Okay, now I'm peeling these, the rest of these eggs here. I just want to show you how easy these are to peel. They just, once you get them cracked a little bit, they just start and go right on. Nothing to it. Just like that, and then when you get it down to that, come over here and you rinse it again in the same water just to get the little bits of eggshell and stuff off like this. Now I'll just lay it right back in my little steamer basket there. The little steamer basket comes in handy for a lot of things. Now that's the one you're supposed to show right there when you start talking about easy peel. Did you see that? There ain't even little pieces on that one. I'll rinse it off anyhow. I don't know how many you can put in that little steamer basket at one time. By the way, don't forget to check out our links down below. And thank you very much to all you people that were from our links down below. It means a lot to us, so thanks again. Up there, rinse it off. Okay, so that's about it for this little video. Hope y'all enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And if you don't have one of these little green baskets, go out and find you one. Order it from Amazon is the best place I found to get it. So, until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And by the way, if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. And thanks again for watching. And so, till next time, goodbye now.